Troubleshooting heat pump blowing cold air.
Hello everyone. Today, we'll be discussing a common issue that can occur with heat pumps, blowing cold air. While it's a common issue, it can be confusing, especially during the chilly months when you're relying on your heat pump to keep your home warm. Don't worry, we'll guide you through the troubleshooting process to help you find a solution.
Is your heat pump actually blowing cold air?
Before we start troubleshooting, let's make sure that your heat pump is genuinely blowing cold air. Sometimes, the air might feel cooler than your body temperature, making you think it's cold. This can be especially noticeable if you're comparing it to the hot air that a furnace or boiler would produce. Take a thermometer and measure the temperature of the air coming from the heat pump to verify.
Is your heat pump in defrost mode?
Heat pumps often go into defrost mode in colder weather. During this cycle, the heat pump may blow out cold air for a short period. Normally, this mode will switch off after about 15 minutes. If the heat pump continues to blow cold air after this, it indicates there might be a problem.
Is the outdoor unit covered in ice?
If your outdoor unit is covered in ice, this can cause the heat pump to blow cold air. Normally, the defrost cycle will clear the ice, but if the ice buildup is too severe, or if the defrost cycle isn't working correctly, the heat pump might not be able to heat your home effectively. If this is the case, turn off your heat pump and try to remove the ice carefully. If the icing happens frequently, you should contact a professional.
Check your thermostat settings.
Sometimes, the problem might be as simple as having the wrong settings on your thermostat. Make sure your thermostat is set to heat mode and that the temperature is set above the current room temperature. If the thermostat is not working properly, it might need to be replaced.
Inspect the air filters.
Dirty or clogged air filters can restrict airflow, which can result in the heat pump blowing cold air. Check your air filters, and if they look dirty, clean or replace them. This should ideally be done every month.
When to call a professional?
If you've followed all the steps and your heat pump is still blowing cold air, it might be time to call a professional. Some issues, like a malfunctioning defrost control or a refrigerant leak, are best handled by professionals to avoid causing further damage to your system. We hope this troubleshooting guide has helped you understand why your heat pump might be blowing cold air, and what steps you can take to rectify the issue. Remember, when in doubt, it's best to call a professional to avoid causing any damage to your system. Thanks for watching, stay warm, and we'll see you in the next video.